morning, all of you. Today we are going to do a new poem in the Unit 2 section. The poem name is I'm Lucky. It is about a young small girl who is thinking about the creatures in her mind. Something is going about the creatures in her mind. She is thinking that if she would be butterfly, manna, fish, and if you are you satisfied with it? Are you happy with it or not? ये कहानी एक छोटी सी बच्ची के बारे में है, जो बच्ची अपनी वो सोचती है कि यदि वो तितली, मैना, मछली, हाथी, ऑक्टोपस, कैंगारू जैसी होती तो कैसा होता। वो सोचती रहती है और सोचने के बाद उसको वो ईश्वर से धन्यवाद भी करती है उस चीज़ों के लिए। पर वो क्या सोचती है कि वो जो कुछ भी है अभी वो उससे वो संतुष्ट है और खुश है, उसको अच्छा लगता है। और वो पाठकों से भी यही पूछती है कि आपको जो ईश्वर ने बनाया गया है या फिर आप जो है वो आप उससे संतोष हो, उससे खुश हो या नहीं हो। नाउ वी रीड द पोएम। एवरीबडी लुक हियर बेटा। नाउ I am lucky. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. So this is butterfly and swing for my wings. Okay, now we'll go to manna. Now what is this word manna? If I were a manna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. Now manna's voice is very beautiful, so she sings very beautifully. Now it is fish turn. If I were a fish in the sea, if I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I could wriggle giggle with a glee. Means what? Over here the fish is talking about herself. How the fish moves zigzag way. So that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. So I just think I am lucky to be me. Here the girl is thinking that I am very lucky to be myself only. Not you but me. Here she is specifying not you but me. If I were an elephant. Over here now elephant portion is coming. So we will go to elephant. Here you can see it is a elephant. I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. See over here you can see the elephant has raised the trunk and is pouring the water. So right up to the moon. Where? Right up to the moon. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. Now you know octopus has how many arms? Octopus is having 8 arms. How many arms? 8 arms. So you can see over here. Octopus is a water animal who is having 8 arms. So I would be thankful for my 8 arms. Now this is which animal? This is kangaroo. So what kangaroo is saying that will read. So I just think I'm lucky to be me, not you but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you, just you? Now over here what the girl is asking to the readers. Okay, so I just think I'm lucky. Here the small girl is talking about herself, that she is in fact very very lucky what she is. Not you. Again she is saying not you, she is talking about herself. But she is asking the question to the reader that what do you think you want to be? She is asking to the reader, what do you want? She was thinking herself a creature, to become a creature like butterfly, fish, manna, elephant, octopus, kangaroo. But looking all those things in her mind, she is happy and thankful to God also for that. But she is more happy what she is saying. So do you want to be like me or just you and just you? Here the little girl is asking to the readers, okay, do you want to copy me? Do you want to be like me? Or you just want to be just you and just you? Okay, now we'll go to the new words. The first one is what? Butterfly. 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 Butterfly means what? As I told you, which are seen mostly in the garden near the flowers. And butterflies are very beautiful and very colorful. Now next word is what? Manna. M-Y-N-A. M-Y-N-A. Manna is a bird name. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Fish means what? Who swims in water and who lives in water only. Without water fish cannot survive. Then the next word is kangaroo. 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 So it is an animal which hops and it has a pouch near the tummy to keep the baby kangaroos. Now the last one is what? Octopus. Here you can see this is what? Octopus. Now octopus is a water animal only, which is found in water only. But you know how many hands does octopus has? Octopus has 8 arms. How many arms does octopus has? Octopus has 8 arms. He is having 8 arms. It is a water animal which can be found only in the water. I hope you have understood the lesson and enjoyed also. Thank you.